attention, you might call me Iris. You ain't never met a girl like this. You feel.
So I'm going to do this, and I'm gonna use this biotin. I'm gonna put it in the oil. I'm just trying something very experimenting here. Yeah, so I got that biotin oil from Shein. Oh my god, what am I looking like that? Yes, the biotin oil from Shein. Yeah, so this is it. It's a biotin with hydrolyzed collagen, vitamin super absorption, healthy ear, healthy skin, healthy hair. 25,000. Oh no, 25,000 super strength germinating. Okay, if you say so. So it's a dropper. It has a lot of liquid. What is this? The dropper is weird. I just have to push it down. Down. Ah. And they said it's a berry flavor, but to me it smells like lemongrass. So I don't know what kind of berry is that, but we're gonna experiment with it. We're gonna experiment. And we're going to put 3 drops. Is that too much? Let's go again. Take it up. Go, bro. Why isn't it taking up? Let's see how it looks in it. And it's gonna change the consistency. Yeah. What else can I add? I had another biotin. This is from Shein as well, but it's done, but a little bit is left. Let's see if I can put it in there too. But this one actually worked for me, so it's... Oh, Jesus! Oh my god. This is the first I'm trying the other one, so hopefully it works as well. But this is good. Trust me, my hair grew since I used that product. We are mixing. So it looks like this. Yeah. And I'm gonna put it on my hand because I have my nails. And ooh, it's falling out. And grease it. Ooh, coming like it's like candy. Put it on my hand like that. I'll put it here. Different section here. Tried it. So if you guys are watching before, I blow dry the hair before. What am I saying? I mean, I wash my hair, but I didn't get to blow dry at the same time. So I am going to oil it and then blow dry it. Yeah. But my hair is all knotted up. That's why I always do it when it's wet, because it's hard to manage now when it's dry. Just stand off. Guys, don't let anyone tell you about grease or hair oil not growing your hair. It does grow your hair. All these oils and stuff, they just probably help to retain like a little moisture, but the scalp, those oils, they don't stay on the scalp long enough to keep your hair, you know, well moist. And those oils for growth and so forth. So you should still use regular hair oil or grease in your hair, because I was just using like those liquid oils, and to me, when I don't use hair oil, my hair has not fully. I think hair oil, you know, the hair needs hair oil, and probably can just rub it in your hair and then do whatever, because it's hard to part right now. Very hard. So next I'm going to oil the hair. So before I oil the scalp, just to make less breakage, because if you attempt to comb the hair while too dry, it's gonna break. So at least moisturize it first. And after, when I'm gonna brush it, I'm gonna put my coconut cream again. Cause I don't have my products right now. I'm running out, so I have to use what I have. Yeah. Yes, so guys, see the hair is partially blow dried. Look at all the shrinkage. And I don't know what's happening. Maybe because my hair is really dry, but it's not being fully blow dried to the full length, but it's okay, it can work, but it's just annoying me right now. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to it. So I'm going to catch it up because I don't want to leave it out and get knotted again.
And that's it for now. Probably I'm gonna do a next hairstyle. I don't know if I'm gonna put on a wig, the braids, I don't know yet, but stay tuned.
So now I'm doing patch and twist in my hair. Hoping for it tonight. Because I got work in the morning. I want to present it for my first day. So y'all will see like a little explanation of how to do it. So you can look for that and go on. So how I did this, I parted the hair in two, then I used the passion twist and plait it with my hair. So it kind of had, well, it's not really a knotless look, but because I had the nails too, I didn't do it as perfect as I could. But I just parted my hair in two, then I just held the passion twist above my hair and just plait it over it. So it would be kind of like you do regular box braids, but I'm not gonna say a cornrow, but I'm not sure to explain this. But I don't know if you can see in the video what I did exactly. It's kind of hard to explain. Okay, so I'm back at it trying to explain. So first, after parting hair, I applied some gel just to smooth out the hair, because you know my hair does not match the passion twist. So you add your gel or jam or whichever you want to use. Then I'm still applying gel. So all you do is just put the hair over your hair and just plait it. That's all. And if it's not very straightforward, then I can probably make a next video showing it, but I'm not seeing where I'm showing it clearly. But it's nothing hard, it's not rocket science. Yep. So yeah, I just plait it with my hair until my hair finishes, and then I just start the twist after that where my hair ends.
Thank you for watching and see you again. Bye. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a video. Have a good day, night, even whenever you're watching. Bye.
Subscribe now.